How does AA think about the rep, the partner org, and the customer as equal stakeholders? We approach every deal as a three-way partnership. The rep needs to hit their number, the customer needs confidence that HubSpot can solve their problem, and we need to be able to deliver successfully post-sale. That alignment builds trust with the rep, the buyer, and HubSpot. I like to think of the AA go-to-market team as having three customers: the client, the rep, and our own services team. And just like any great services organization, we aim to deliver a high level of customer service. And that's what we call hospitality to all three. How do we go about building trust with enterprise buyers through technical depth? Enterprise buyers are skeptical by default. They need to hear from someone who understands systems, integrations, governance, and business processes, not just software licenses. And that's where our technical architects come in. We can sit at the table with IT, security, compliance, and CFOs and speak their language. We don't just provide software recommendations, we deliver deeply detailed scopes that include stories, pathways, assumptions, and estimates tied to the business problems our clients need to solve. Because of all of that experience, we're able to leverage what we've done before to accurately scope and forecast what's ahead. And our goal is always the same: deliver projects that are on time and on budget. So what makes our co-selling motion different? We don't just show up for the demo. We're involved early. We're helping to scope the architecture, figure out the integrations and operating models even before the contracts are signed. They get a ton of value up front. We help make the deal real, not just for the buyer, but also for the rep, where they can see what this technology can do for them. Why does structure matter in solutions delivery? Here's the thing: the biggest risk in enterprise SaaS isn't closing the deal, it's delivery failure. That's why we've invested heavily in delivery methodology, capacity planning, and governance models. Once the deal closes, we make sure the implementation succeeds. And that's what gives enterprise buyers real confidence. In short, the most important phase is the planning phase. We follow the ethos outlined in how big things get done, because historically, IT projects are some of the worst offenders when it comes to missing timelines and budgets. And too often, clients think we need to be hands-on keyboard from day one. But if we say a project will take 16 weeks and we spend the first 6 weeks on planning, that means running workshops, solution designing, and gaining story approvals, that's not a delay, that is the work. Planning is doing, because without it, those 16 weeks can quickly turn into 24 or even 36. So we slow down at the start to move fast and then deliver right.